Shubhodayam. Welcome all to the 7th batch of certificate course on Sanatana Dharma, organized by Veda Sanskriti Samiti in association with Vishwa Yoga Vidyapit. Before we start, wish you all a happy Bhogi and Sankranti festival and happy Lodi too. We start the day with Vande Mataram by Venkat Narayana Garu.
वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां सस्यश्यामलां मातरं वन्दे मातरम् शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनीं फुल्लकुसुमितद्रुमदलशोभिनीं सुहासिनीं सुमधुरभाषिणीं सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरम्
Vande Mataram. ధన్యవాదాలు వెంకటనారాయణ గారు. Now I request Shankaran Narayananji to do the pradhana, please.
1 minute meditation.
Your voice is not heard.
1 minute meditation followed by 3 times Om.
Your voice is not coming.
It's heard now.
But it's not normal. Anyway, go ahead. Go ahead with the.
1 minute meditation
Go ahead.
followed by 3 times Om. गणानां त्वा गणपतिं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनशृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् ॐ श्रीमहागणाधिपतये नमः। ॐ प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिनीवती धीनामवित्र्यवतो ॐ श्री महासरस्वत्यै नमः। गुरुरेव गतिर्गुरुमेव भजे गुरुनैव सहस्मि नमो गुरवे न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोः मतिरस्ति गुरौ मां पाहि गुरो ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम्
आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवमुपास्महे.
श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पाद शङ्करं लोकशङ्करं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतङ्गमय। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। मातृदेवो भव पितृदेवो भव आचार्यदेवो भव अतिथिदेवो भव। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। हरिः ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ॐ।
Subhodaya. ధన్యవాదాలు శంకరనారాయణన్ ji. Thank you very much. And sorry, I came in between. Now we go ahead with the Sanskritam class. Venkat Narayan garu, can you do the Sanskritam Geetam, please?
पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् संस्कृतस्य प्रसाराय नैजं सर्वं ददाम्यहम् संस्कृतस्य सदा भक्तो वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् संस्कृतस्य कृते जीवन् संस्कृतस्य कृते यजन् आत्मानमाहुतं मन्ये वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। केयूरान् विभूषयन्ति पुरुषं हारान् चन्द्रोज्ज्वलाः न स्नानन्न विलेपनन्न कुसुमम् नालङ्कृता मूर्धजाः वाण्येकासमलङ्करोति पुरुषं या संस्कृता धार्यते क्षीयन्ते खलु भूषणानि सततम् वाग्भूषणं भूषणं वाग्भूषणं भूषणम्।
ధన్యవాదాలు వెంకట నారాయణ గారు. Thank you very much. Now I request Prabhakar Rao garu to continue with the webinar, please.
Sure.
Prabhakar Rao garu. Yeah. Your video is not open and you are unmute and mute. Okay.
Yeah. Hari Om.
Yeah, go ahead.
Sarvebhya Swagatam Vyaharami. Would you see the...
Yeah, it is coming. It is not yet come.
Come. Astu?
No. Yeah.
Lesson 13. Khanda Kriya Prayogam.
Lesson
we did
number
already.
13.
Hello. Hari Om.
Go ahead.
Yeah. Lesson Trayodasa lesson पाठः अस्ति. त्रयोदशः पाठः. इदानीं खण्डक्रिया प्रयोगं वयं पठितवन्तः पूर्वकक्षायां. Now we go to the next subject. That was also we did something. This prayogam. This we are going to Lekhana Niyamaha. Earlier we studied about Lekhana Niyamaha. We did some study on Lekhana Niyamaha. What are the Lekhana? 3 Lekhana Niyamas we learned. That is thing. The first word ending is with Anuswaram, and second word is starting with Swaram, that is vowel, A, I, Uru, like that. Then that Anuswaram should be written as Makaram, Mahalantam we have to write. That is one rule we learned already. And second rule we learned was if that is next word starting with Vyanjanam, that is Kavarga, Chavarga, Tavarga, Tavarga, Pavarga, and Yavarga. If that is going starting with those Vyanjanams, then this Anuswaram should be written as Anuswaram only. And then if any sentence or a word is ending with Anuswaram, it should be written in Mahahalantam only. These are the 3 rules we learned earlier. Now we are learning another important rule. In between there is between 2 letters. First letter is Anuswaram, second letter is a Kavarga, Chavarga, Tavarga, Tavarga, Pavarga. If that is like that, Panchavargas. If it is like that, how to handle it, how to write it. Then Kam plus Kanam. Here, first letter is Kam, second letter is Ka. This with Kam and Ka, there is Kam is having Anuswaram, next word is coming Ka. Then the Anuswaram should not be written as a dot. It should be written as the next word is starting with Ka, right? That Ka Panchamavarnam we have to write as per Anuswaram instead of Anuswaram. Instead of Anuswaram, we have to write that Panchamavarnam Ing. So Ka plus Ing plus Kanam. That becomes Kanam. In Telugu, it is Kanam. In Telugu or in some Kam, it's a Kam. It's not Kam here. Kanam. You have to pronounce with the 5th letter, Anunasaka letter, you have to pronounce this Anuswaram. This Anuswaram should be pronounced as Anuswaram, Panchamavarnam, Anunasikam. The Anuswaram should be pronounced as Anunasikam of the next word's first letter. Okay, first letter Varga. So now, Kam plus Kanam, here the next word is starting with Ka. The Kavarga Panchamavarna is Ing. So this Anuswaram Kam should become Kang Kanam. So similarly, Gam plus Ga. Ga plus Panchamavarna of Ga is Ing. Ga plus Ing Ga, Ganga. It's not Gamga, it is Ganga. Gum, it's not Gamga, it's not Gum, it is Ganga. Then Sam plus Chika. Sam plus Chika, this Anuswaram will go as, this next one is Cha. Cha's Panchamavarna is E. So Cha plus Anuswaram plus Chika. That becomes Cha plus E plus Chika. Sain Chika. Not Samchika. It is Sain Chika. Then Kam plus Takam. Given an example here. So Kam plus Takam becomes Ka plus Nakaram plus Takam. Kantakam. Then similarly plus Taha. Tavarga. So Tavarga is Nakaram is Panchamavarnam. So A plus Na N plus Taha. Amtaha. Then plus Ba. This is Pavarga. Plus Panchamavarnam Ma. Anuswaram. Anusasika. A plus Ma plus Ba. Amba. Instead of Anuswaram, Panchama Varnam comes. Panchamavarnam is Makaram. That Vargasya Panchamavarnam. Uttarapadasya Arambha Varnasya Panchamavarnam you will get. So this Tankanam, this Nakaram is wrong here. Nakaram should be a Nakaram. Tankanam. Okay. Plus Chalam, Tam plus Kanam, Tankanam. Plus Chalam, Anchalam. Sam plus Geetam, Sangeetam. Plus Dha, Andhaha. Sam plus Bam plus Daha, Sambandha. Before Ba, Makaram will come. Before Dha, Nakaram will come. But both place Anuswaram is only there. In Sai, with Sai is Anuswaram is there. With Ba, Anuswaram is there. But before Ba, it comes Makaram. Before Dha, it comes Nakaram. Sambandha. Because the next word is Ba, before that Ma comes. Next word is Dha, before that Na comes. Sambandha. So Sandhyangam. So before Dhya, Nakaram will come. And before Ga, Inga will come. So Sandhyangam it comes. Similarly, Mandam, Sangaha, Sanchalaha, Kampaha, Ankani, like that. Examples. So is it clear? Any doubts on this? Is this clear? Hari Om.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next, let us go to next. Sabda Parichem. The Sabda Parichem as it is, as we learned earlier. The Sabda Parichem we are learning now with same rules. The same rules are, if it is Akaram, go to Rama Shabdam. Akara Pullingam, go to Ram Shabdam. Akara Srilingam, go to Rama Shabdam. If it is Ikaranta Shabdam, go Ikaranta Pulling Shabdam, go to Hari Shabdam. If it is Ikaranta Pulling Sriling Shabdam, go to Gauri Shabdam. If it is Ukaran Shabdam, Pullinga Shabdam, Guru Shabdam, like that you go to the concerned table and learn these words, Vachanas and Vibhaktis. That is the requirement. Here we have given only meaning of that. Sudha Khandaha, this Akaranta Pullinga Shabdaha. The meaning is piece of chalk. It is Pradhamabhakti Ekavachan Rupam, Sudha Khandaha. Its Pratipadika Rupam is Sudha Khanda. Remove Visarga and becomes Pratipadika Rupam. Its end vowel is A. It is Pullinga Shabdam. So, Pradhama Vibhakti Ekavachan Rupam it is Sudha Khandaha. The meaning is piece of chalk. This is a Lekhana Samagri. This is Lekhana Samagri, one of the Lekhana Samagri, one of the writing items. So, Rama is the sample word for this to know the different Vachanams and different Vibhaktis. So, like that all. Rabbar Bandaha, Akaranta Pullingam. Niryasaha, Akaranta Pullingam. Pratrabharaha, Akaranta Pullingam. All is just like Rama Shabdaha. Then Budpitika, Akaranta Shrilinga Shabdam, just like Rama Shabdam. Antah Petika, Akaranta Shrilinga Shabdam, Rama Shabdam. Randrika, Rama Shabdam. Murdumudra, Rama Shabdam. Mapika, like Rama Shabdam. Then comes the Lekhani, Ikaran Shabdam, Kalam. Lekhani means pen. Ikaran Shabdam, Shrilinga Shabdam. Ikaran Shrilinga Shabdam, Ankani, Lekhani. These two are like Gauri Shabdam. Similarly, Varna Lekhani, Yojani, Patra Suchi, all are Ikaran Shabdas, just like Gauri Shabdam you have to learn. Then next, Marjani, Kartari, up to this, all are Gauri Shabdam. Then Pustakam, Svetapatram, these things are Akaranta, Napuska Shabdas. Lekhana Pitam, Danshakam, Krishna Falakam, up to this are like Jnana Shabda. Akaranta, Napusak Jnana Shabda. Then Prasadaha, Rama Shabdam, this is Gruha Vishya, Gruha Sambandha words. These are Gruha Sambandha Vishya words, just like about house and its accessories, etc. etc. Prasadaha, Akaranta Pulling Shabdam, Rama Shabdam. Bhojana Kostaha, Akaranta Pulling Shabdam. Sauchalayaha, Akaranta Pulling Shabdam. Stambhaha, Akaranta Pulling Shabdam. Kopaha, Attaha, Antara Attaha, Muchadaha, Chadihi. All these things are, Chadi is different. Up to Murchada, Rama Shabdam. Up to Murchada is Akaranta Pullinga Rama Shabdam. Like that you have to learn these things. Then when it comes to Chedi, Chedi is Sakaran Shabdam. Chedis. This is like Vachas Shabdam. Just like Vachas Shabdam you have to learn. The Vachas Shabdam is again down the line. Then we will go there. Vachas Shabdam. Sakarantha Napunskalinga. Vachas Shabdaha. Vachaha, Vachasi, Vachamsi. He Vacha, He Vachasi, He Vachamsi. Vachaha, Vachasi, Vachamsi. Pradhama Bhakti, Ditya Bhakti will be same. Even Sambodhana also will be same. For Napusakam. Then comes Tritiya Bhakti. Vachasa, Vachobhyam, Vachobhihe. Vachase, Vachobhyam, Vachobhyaha. In Sakaranta, Takaranta, Nakaranta, Ekaram will come in Chaturthi Bhakti. Akaram will come in Tritiya Bhakti, in Ekavachanam. In Bahuvachanam, Bihi and Biyahas, that are same. But here, for Sakaram Sabdam, Nakaram Sabdam, Takaram Sabdam, you will get Dirgham of that. Vachasa, Vachase, Vachasaha, Vachasaha, like that. Vachana, if Atmana, Atmane, Atmanaha, Atmanaha. Vachata, Bhavata, Bhavate, Bhavataha, Bhavataha. Takaranta, Sakaranta, Nakaranta comes like this only. Dirgham, Ekaram, Visarga, like that. Ekavachanam. Tritiya Bhakti Ekavachanam, Chaturthi Bhakti Ekavachanam, Panchami Bhakti Ekavachanam, Sashti Bhakti Ekavachanam will come like that. First one is Dirgham will come. If it is Vachas Shabdam, Vachasa, Atman Shabdam, Atmana, Bhavat Shabdam, Bhavata, like that. Takaranta, Sakaranta, Nakaranta Shabdas. Vachas, Vachase, वचसः आत्मना आत्मने आत्मनः आत्मनः भवता भवते भवतः भवतः. So remaining things are same as other things. Vachobhyam vachobhihi vachobhyam vachobhyah vachobhyam vachobhyah vachasoho vachasam. They are similar to other words. Vachasi vachasoho vachasu vachasu vachasi vachasoho vachasu. So this is the Vachas Shabdam Lakshana. So that one is different from the Rama Shabdam. So that Chadi Shabdam is different Shabdam from other Rakaran Shabdas. Though Ikaran Shabdam, but it's not Ikaran Shabdam, it is Sakaran Shabdam. The Rupami Chadihi will come in Pradama Bhakti Ekvachanam. So Vruttihi, this is again Mati Shabdam. It's like Mati Shabdam. Ikaranta Srilinga Shabdam, Mati Shabdam. Then Vitardihi, Ikaranta, so the Mati Shabdam. Then Pakashala, Akaran Shabdam, Rama Shabdam. Dwara Sunkala, Akaran Shabdam. Behali, Gauri Shabdam. Puja Gruham, Akaranta Napuska Shabdam, Gnanam. Dwaram, Akaranta Napuska Shabdam, Gnanam. Vatayanam, Akaranta Napuska Shabdam, Gnanam. Sopanam, Akaranta Napuska Shabdam, Gnanam. Mukhadwaram, Akaranta Napuska Shabdam, Gnanam. Toranam, Akaranta Napuska Shabdam, Gnanam. So like that, these things are to be learned. So here, most of things you find Akaranta Shabda or Ikaranta Shabda or Akaranta Shabda. That's what you find. If you learn half a dozen Shabdas thoroughly, you will be learning most of the words. So here Sakaranta is extra has come and Mati has come extra. Matihi, Mati, Matayaha is Strilinga Ikaran Shabdam. Harihi, Hari, Harayaha is the Pullinga Ikaran Shabdam. This is Matihi is Strilinga Ikaran Shabdam. Matihi, Mati, Matayaha. He mate, he mati, he matayaha, matim, mati, matihi. Ikaran Shabdam, Ikaran Shabdam. Titiya Bhakti Bahuvachanam, Ihi will come. Ihi, Visarga will come. Matihi, Titiya Bhakti Bahuvachanam. Matya, Matibhyam, Matibhihi, Matyai, Mataye, both will come. Pullinga Rupam Mataye, Strilinga Rupam Matyai, both will come. Matyai, Mataye, Matibhyam, Matibhyaha. Matyah, Matehe, Matibhyam, Matibhyah, Matyah, Matehe, Matyoh, Matinam, Matyam, Matou, Matyoh, Matishu. There are 2-3 things are given. The first one is Strilinga type of rules. The second one is Hari type of rule. If you see Hari, Mataye, Haraye, Harehe, Harehe, Harau. So similarly, Mati also Mataye, Matehe, Matehe, Matau, we can use it. That is the difference between Hari and Mati, and those differences for Mati, both will come. Hari Shabdam Rupam also will come, Mati Shabdam Rupam also will come, Mati. Because the usage was like that by the Kavis in the Kavyas. So, Mataye, some places they use as Pullinga Rupam, Mataye, Matayehe, Matehe, Matau. Sometimes they use Matyai, Matyaha, Matyaha, Matibhyam. Probably when they are using this Mati for Pullingam, they use this. For Strilingam, is this. We are using Mati Shabdam to Pullinga Mati, they may be using Mataye. For Strilinga Mati, they must be using Matyai. We have to see that, how they have used it and understand accordingly. So now, that is the thing which we have learned till now. Now we will go, some other words we will learn in next class. Next lesson, I mean. Kushala Buddhaha, this is the story. Kushala Urdhayaha, Urdhaha. Kushalaha Urdhaha. Kushalaha Pullingam, Urdhaha Pullingam. Kushalaha is adjective. Urdhaha is Namavachakam. Urdhaha, Kushalaha Urdhaha. The name of the person is that the type of person he is Urdha person. Urdhaha. This is can be called as Visheshanam as well as Namavachakam also. You can call Urdha if she is lady. So Kushalaha Urdha. Kushala Urdha. Strilinga Rupam. Kushalaha Urdhaha. Pullinga Rupam. So Ekaha Urdhaha Asit. Asit is Bhotakalam for Asti. Asit is Bhotakalam for Asti. Ekaha Urdhaha Asit. Kaha Asit? Answer. Please answer. Kaha Asit?
एकः वृद्धः
Ekaha Urdhaha
एकः
Asit.
वृद्धः आसीत्
Saha Kshuditaha Abhavat. Saha Katham Abhavat. Saha Katham Abhavat.
सः क्षुधितः अभवत्
Kshuditaha means hungry. He has become hungry. Saha Kshuditaha Abhavat. This is answer. Samipe, सप्तमी विभक्ति समीपे एकः आम्रवृक्षः आसीत् आम्रवृक्षः प्रथमा विभक्ति एकः आम्रवृक्षः एकः प्रथमा विभक्ति समीपे सप्तमी विभक्ति इन्दासमीपम् इन्दासमीपं समीपे समीपे एकः वृक्ष आम्रवृक्षः आसीत् आसीत् अगेन भूतकाल रूपं देन समीपे कः आसीत्
समीपे एकः आम्रवृक्षः आसीत्
वृद्धः आम्रवृक्षस्य समीपम् अगच्छत् अगच्छत् गच्छति भूतकालं पर गच्छति भूतकालं अगच्छत् कुत्र वृद्धः आम्रवृक्षस्य समीपम् अगच्छत् आम्रवृक्षस्य षष्ठी विभक्ति वृक्ष समीपं दे आर रिलेटेड हूज समीपं आम्रवृक्षस्य समीपं सो वृद्धः कुत्र अगच्छत्
वृद्धः आम्रवृक्षस्य समीपम्
अगच्छत्
फर्स्ट समीपम् अगच्छत् वेर ही हैज गॉन नियर बाय वृद्धः नियर बाय ही हैज गॉन फर्स्ट वृद्ध फर्स्ट यू हैव टू गेट दिस वर्ड समीपम् वृद्धः कुत्र अगच्छत् वृद्धः समीपम् अगच्छत् नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज वृद्धः कस्य समीपम् अगच्छत् हूज समीपम्
वृक्षस्य समीपम्
आम्रवृक्षस्य वृद्धः आम्रवृक्षस्य समीपम् अगच्छत् the first word you got is samipam the next word on this you put a question again what is the question kasya samipam the question is kasya samipam amravruksha for samipam what question you put kutra for getting answer samipam you put the question kutra वृद्धः कुत्र अगच्छत् समीपम् अगच्छत् कुत्र कस्य समीपं whose समीपं you have gone कस्य समीपम् आम्रवृक्षस्य समीपं so that's how you have to step by step you should go then there will be clarity will be better कः अगच्छत् वृद्धः वृक्षे बहूनि फलानि अपश्यत् पश्यति भूतकालम् अपश्यत् he saw so question is वृक्षे means सप्तमी विभक्ति वृक्षः वृक्षे इन्दा वृक्षं कानि अपश्यत् कानि किं के कानि अपश्यत् फलानि अपश्यत् वृक्षे फलानि अपश्यत् वृक्षे कति फलानि अपश्यत्
बहूनि
फलानि अपश्यत् कति वृक्षे बहूनि फलानि अपश्यत् कुत्र फलानि कुत्र अपश्यत् I am putting another question now it's not written here फलानि कुत्र अपश्यत् वृद्धः वृक्षे you have to answer आम्रवृक्षे और वृक्षे वृद्धः फलानि कुत्र अपश्यत् वृद्धः फलानि वृक्षे अपश्यत् आम्रवृक्षे अपश्यत् both are correct आम्रवृक्षे अपश्यत् नेक्स्ट वृक्षे बहूनि फलानि अपश्यत् that's okay सः अचिन्तयत् means चिन्तयति means thinking अचिन्तयत् means he thought सः अचिन्तयत् किम् अचिन्तयत् this वाक्यानि अचिन्तयत् अहं वृद्धः I am old man मम शरीरे शक्तिः नास्ति in my body there is no strength वृक्षः उन्नतः अस्ति वृक्ष is very tall कथम् उपरि गच्छामि how do I go up कथं फलं प्राप्नोमि how do I get the fruit इति like this इति means like this सः अचिन्तयत् सः अचिन्तयत् कः अचिन्तयत् सः कः
वृद्धः
सः वृद्धः सः कः सः वृद्धः ऐसे सः कः इट्से सः वृद्धः इट्स नॉट से जस्ट वृद्धः सः कः सः वृद्धः सः वृद्धः किम् अचिन्तयत् अहं वृद्धः
मम शरीरे शक्तिः नास्ति वृक्षः उन्नतः अस्ति कथम् उपरि गच्छामि कथं फलं प्राप्नोमि इति सः वृद्धः
फलं प्राप्नोमि इति सः वृद्धः अचिन्तयत् वृक्षस्य उपरि वानराः आसन् आसीत् शब्दस्य बहुवचनम् आसन्
आसन्
आसीत् एकवचनम् आसन् बहुवचनं दे वर देयर सन्ति शब्दस्य बहुवचनं सन्ति शब्दस्य भूतकालं सन्ति शब्दस्य भूतकालं सन्ति इस् वर्तमानकालम् आसन् इस् भूतकालं वृक्षस्य उपरि वानराः आसन् वानरास् वर देयर वृक्षस्य उपरि के आसन्
वानराः
वृक्षस्य उपरि वानराः आसन्
वृक्षस्य उपरि वानराः आसन् instead of K you have to put वानराः वृक्षस्य उपरि वानराः आसन् वृद्धः एकम् उपायम् अकरोत् अकरोत् means he did करोति do अकरोत् did वृद्धः एकम् उपायम् अकरोत् वृद्धः किम् अकरोत्
वृद्धः एकम् उपायम् अकरोत्
एकम् उपायं करोत्
सः पाषाणखण्डान् तप्पुंది ఇక్కడ पाषाणखण्डान् स्वीकरोति सः पाषाणखण्डान् स्वीकृत्य अक्षिपत् स्वीकृत्य you know lebantam we learned lebantam you know after taking what पाषाणखण्डान् पाषाणखण्डान् द्वितीय पाषाणखण्ड शब्दस्य द्वितीया विभक्ति बहुवचनं पाषाणखण्डमुలను the पाषाणखण्डास् he has taken पाषाणखण्डास् the पाषाणखण्डास् सः पाषाणखण्डान् रामः रामौ रामाः रामं रामौ रामान् पाषाणखण्डः पाषाणखण्डौ पाषाणखण्डाः पाषाणखण्डं पाषाणखण्डौ पाषाणखण्डं पाषाणखण्डौ पाषाणखण्डान् so पाषाणखण्डान् स्वीकृत्य अक्षिपत् अक्षिपत् is what क्षिपति शब्दस्य भूतकालं क्षिपति means throw अक्षिपत् means threw he threw सः अक्षिपत् he threw सः किं कान् अक्षिपत् you can say किम् अक्षिपत् or कान् अक्षिपत् सः पाषाणखण्डान् अक्षिपत् वानराः कुपिताः अभवन् भवति अभवत् भवति शब्दस्य भूतकालम् अभवत् भवन्ति शब्दस्य भूतकालम् अभवन् अभवन् just like आसन् अभवन् अभवन् के वानराः कथम् अभवन्
वानराः कुपिताः अभवन्
कुपितः एकवचनं कुपिताः बहुवचनं वानराः कुपिताः अभवन् रामः एकवचनं रामाः बहुवचनं कुपितः एकवचनं कुपिताः बहुवचनं वानराः कुपिताः अभवन् ते फलानि अक्षिपन् ते अक्षिपन् ते के
वानराः
ते वानराः कानि अक्षिपन्
ते वानराः फलानि अक्षिपन्
फलानि अक्षिपन् वृद्धः तानि फलानि स्वीकृत्य जस्ट నేను ఎక్కడ తప్పన్నా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి ప్లీజ్ నోట్ డౌన్ దేర్ అండ్ ట్రై టు ఐ విల్ కరెక్ట్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ అండ్ సెండ్ అగైన్ టోటల్లీ వృద్ధः तानि फलानि स्वीकृत्य संतोषेण अखादत् वृद्धः किम् अकरोत् what he did वृद्धः
फलानि अखादत्
खादति वर्तमानकालम् अखादत् भूतकालम् वृद्धः फलानि कथम् अखादत् how he ate
संतोषेण अखादत्
वृद्धः फलानि संतोषेण अखादत् so whenever you have a feeling when you are doing some work you have got some feeling that feeling should be told in tritiya vibhakti santoshena with santosham he ate so this lesson is over now let's go to the next lesson any doubts on this lesson very simple lesson of course lesson 14. Now let us go to, let us again share. Are you seeing it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Lesson 14. Now we learn some Sukti again. Let us go back to Suttaya. We have learned earlier some Suktis. Now we learn some more Suktis here. Mudaha paraprati ayaneya buddhihi. Parapratyayaneya buddhihi. Parapratyayaneya buddhihi. Mudaha parapratyayaneya buddhihi. Paraprati ayaneya buddhihi. How many words are there? Para, prati, ayaneya, buddhi. Para, prati, ayaneya,
Four.
buddhi. So a fool, Mudaha means a fool. He is guided by others' understanding. Just like we vote. Whatever somebody says, we will vote. We don't go as per our this thing. Most of the people in India will vote like that. That is a very, very bad thing. That gives the feeling of fools. A fools only will do like that. Just like a goat. A goat does like that only. If a goat falls in the pit, in the first goat falls in the pit, the remaining goats behind it, they all blindly fall in that. That's how we do. A leader gives some money, he says that you vote for me, and they all will vote for him because he belongs to some same sect or something like that. That is a foolish mentality we have. So that should not be there. Mudaha paraprati ayaneya buddhihi. He will be always following somebody. He doesn't use his own brain. That is called Mudaha. That fellow is called, there is a definition for Mudaha. Mudaha paraprati. That side. Ayaneya means moving. Buddhihi. Going towards that. Going behind somebody. So next. Gnatasaropi khalvekaha sandigdhe karyavastuni. However learned person may be, he gets doubts when he undertakes a work. See, getting a doubt is nothing wrong. He may be a very intelligent fellow, he may be a very knowledgeable fellow, he must have got succeeded in many works doing it. But if some new work comes, they maybe get doubt. There's nothing wrong in that. You don't need to feel inferiority complex, or you don't need to count him as a useless fellow. It happens. He may get doubt. After getting clarification, he will get into the normal situation. So getting doubt is not a indication of that fellow's capacity. That's what it means. Gnatasaropi. Whatever. Gna means knowledgeable. Knowledge. Gnatasaraha api. Gnatasaraha api. Gnatasaropi. Gnatasaraha means whatever knowledgeable he is. Sandhigdhe. Karyavastuni. In Karyavastuni, while executing the things, Sandhigdhe. He will be in the doubts. He may be in the doubts. He could be in the doubts. Khalveka, now and then. Sometimes it happens. So that doesn't mean he is less efficient or he is no knowledgeable or he is a fool, something like that. It's not like that.
Sir,
Or
what
he
is the
should
meaning
feel
of
that he did not lose his confidence. Okay? What
Sir,
is it?
what is the meaning of khalu?
Kada is not, is it not? Is it
Khalu.
not? No, Kalu means is it not? It gives a question. There are 2-3 meanings for that, but here it gives the meaning, is it not? Is it not like that? So, like that. Some Khalveka means you can say out of 10 people, one man may get. That also it gives meaning. Khalvekaha, some person, some Buddhiman may get doubt like that. Not all Buddhiman will get like that. One Buddhiman may get like that doubt. The Khalu, Tu, He, these things are just a prachayas which are to be used with the meaning that is as applicable to the sentence there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next
Thank
is
you.
Vikara Hetau Sati. Vikara Hetau Saptami Vibhakti. In the Vikaram, in the reason of Vikaram, when the reason of Vikaram is there, when there is an opportunity to become Vikaram, get tempted. Vikaram is tempted here. Vikara Hetau Sati విక్రియन्ते నా విక్రియంతే నా చేతాంసి నా చేతాంసి విక్రియంతే నా చేతాంసి తయేవ ధీరాః. It is తయేవ ధీరాః is not ta. It is te eva ధీరాః. Because of sandhi it has come like that. That sandhi will learn next level. Te eva ధీరాః. Those people only dheeras. They are only brave fellows. They are only shaurya fellows. Te eva ధీరాః. Who vikara heto sati na vikriyante. When there is a reason for getting tempted, even then they don't get tempted by mind. Even by mind. Even by mind. Not only action, even by mind. He should not get tempted. By action anyway, he may resist himself. Because somebody may see. But he should not get tempted in the mind also. Then only he is dhira. Vikara heto sati na vikriyante. Doesn't get tempted. How chetamsi? In the mind. Te eva dhira. Those people only considered as brave people and brave dhira people. Dhira. So you got it? Gunaha puja sthanam gunishu. Gunishu saptami bhakti. In the gunas. Gunaha means gunavantaha. Gunaha puja, gunamulu, the qualities. The qualities are puja sthanam for gunishu. In the people who have got good people. In the gunishu means a person who is having good qualities. To call a person good qualities, you call because of his gunas. You call somebody a guni, a good, a buddhiman, a gunavanta, a arya, because of his qualities. Gunaha pujasthanam. The qualities are the pujasthanam. The virtues are the pujasthanam. To call him as guni, the virtues in him, in that person, are the reason to call him as guni. Not nacha lingaha, nacha vayaha. Not his age, not his gender. If a person is knowledgeable person, if a person is very good qualities of conduct and character are good, whether it is a lady or male or whether it is a young man or old man, whoever it is, he is a respectable person, to be respected. His lingam and vacham doesn't matter. His gunahar matters, to respect somebody. That's why if a Veda Pandit, a 10 years boy, Veda Pandit comes, or 10 to 12 years, 15 years, 16 years boy means he can learn all Vedas. That is the earlier this thing. By 16 years, at least one Veda he will be totally learning. 8 to 16. Yajurveda, for learning Yajurveda, 8 years it takes. For 8 years, if he completes, he will be good Pandit of Yajurveda. Some people are there within the same 8 years, he completes Rigveda also, Samveda also. By that he becomes total Chaturveda Pandit. So that also happens sometimes, some boys can do that. But 16 years, at least one Veda Shakha he will learn. That fellow, when 16 years boy, do we need to bow down and do namaskaram to him? Yes.
Okay.
Because we are doing namaskaram to his Veda capacity, not to his age. So, Vedas we are respecting. So, that guna we are respecting, that quality we are respecting, not the age of that boy. Similarly, a sannyasi can become 8 years, also sannyasi can become. Paramacharya Chandrasekharan Saraswati became sannyasi at the age of 18 or something, 8 or 14, something like that. Very young age he became sannyasi directly, because there is no Pitham. Pitadipati was not there, he died already. He Paramadam, you don't say Kala died, he said Paramapadam. That earlier Padapati, suddenly he went Paramapadam, go to Paramapadam. Then they have to put somebody there. So it was already earlier they thought of putting this boy. So they took him and put him at the age of very young age. But everybody bowed down to him because he deserves to be that Pitadipati. You are respecting that Pitham, not to the age of that boy. Okay. And he proved to be a very great sage later. Okay. Chandrasekharan Saraswati, Paramacharya. Nadiche Daivam, they say, walking God, they say. So, Gunaha Pujasthanam Gunishu, Nacha Lingaha, Nacha Vayaha. Age and lingam doesn't matter. We pray so many ladies, young ladies we pray. Ahilyabai Holkar and Rani Lakshmibai, young, very young age she fought. We bow down to them. Lingam is not matter. Rani Lakshmi is a great lady. Pratapra Rani Rudramadevi is a very great lady. We bow down to them. And many people bow down to them. Ahilyabai Holkar, she made many temples reconstructed. Kasi Vishwanath temple, temple at what's called Saurashtra Somanatha temple and Singeri temple. So many temples she got it renovated after they were destroyed by the invaders. We bowed down. She died very young age, actually. And everybody bowed down to her and everybody lived under her rule. She was only Samantaraja, but still people loved her. So that's how the great people, either lingam or vacha, vayas, doesn't matter. We have to respect the virtue they have. That is the thing. Next. Chudropi nonam saranam. Chudropi nonam saranam prapanne mamattu uchaihi sirasam sativa. Chudropi nonam saranam prapanne mamatvam uchaihi sirasam sativa. Many holy ideals take into their hold even the lowly ones that surrender them. So, men of holy ideals take into their fold even the lowly ones that surrender them. That means I forgot. Chudraha api. Chudrepi means chudre api. Chudra in the low capacity api. Nonam saranam prapanne means the ideals, the holy ideals take into mamatvam uchaihi sirasam sativa. We take that. I could not get this. Chudropi nonam saranam prapanne mamatvam uchaihi sativa. Sati iva. So, mamatvam uchaihi sirasam sativa. So, men of holy idols taken to their fold, even the lowly ones that surrender them. Okay, I got it now. The people who have got the holy ideals, even the low capacity person, low level person, having not much knowledge of any shastras or anything, if he comes and surrenders to him, he will respect him. He will not look him down and he will not send him away. He will take into his fold and he will help him, he will protect him. That's what the capacity of a holy ideal. So the men of holy ideals, the great people, what they do, they don't see the person's other attributes, whether that fellow is obedient, whether that fellow needs a help or not. That's what they see. It's not the person's the level or position or other things they don't see. They are not bothered whether that fellow needs any help or not. That's what they see. So, men of holy ideals, the people of holy ideals, the people of and sadhu janaha, the great people take into their fold. They think like that. How they think like that? Even the lowest man comes and surrenders to them, he will take care of him. That's how they take care of him. So it doesn't matter, only great people come, then only I will take care of him. If the very poor man or a very low level man comes, I will not take care of him. It's not the mentality of a holy person. And he not be, if somebody does like that, he is not a holy person. Okay, but that is the meaning of that. Now, jivane yavadadanam syat pradanam tato adhikam. This is the question I want to put to you. The meaning of this is, in the life, a person should do more dhanam than he earns. How he does? How we would do that? How we can do that? In life, what we do not should exceed what we receive or earn. How it happens? If you receive 10, you can donate 10. If you receive 100, even if you do by choram, you get, by stealing, you get 100 rupees. You give 100, but whatever way you earn, you can do that much only, right? How can you do more than that?
Maybe Vidyadanam, Seva.
Vidyadhan also, whatever Vidya you learn, that only you can give. Seva. That Seva, you are right. Seva is done with what? With
With
Sariram.
our body, with Sariram.
Your body you are not earned. It was given by your parents and God, right? And what is second one? You got without your consent, your effort. One is body. Second one?
Manasu.
No. Ayush.
Yes.
Your time. Your time is limited, and that is given by God. And give that time to good work. In life, what we donate should exceed what we receive or earn. You have to give your time, you have to give your body other than what you earn. That is required. That seva is required. With body and using our time. So that is the thing. Jivane yavat adanam syat pradanam tatah adhikam. Tatah adhikam. That should be more than that. Next story is Vijayah Mahatvam. You have got time? You have got time, right? We got
7:22, sir.
7:22. Okay. 7:22 or 7:22. Okay, 7:22. We got time up to 7:30, right? So Vijayah Mahatvam. Ekah nagaram asit. Kim asit? Ekam nagaram asit. Kim asit? Nagaram is Namaskar. Kim asit? Ekam nagaram asit. Tatra Ramah Somah iti Mitra Dvayam asit. Who are there? Mitra Dvayam asit. Mitra Dvayam is two, but asit is ekvachanam. Why?
Because it is told in Dvayam. Mitra Dvayam.
Dvayam is jata. Jata means one jata, one pair. One mitra pair. It is called mitra pair. Mitra Dvayam asit. Tatra kim asit? Mitra Dvayam asit. Mitra Dvayam kaha asit? Ramah Somah iti Mitra Dvayam asit. Ramah Vidyam ichhati. Ramah kam ichhati. Kam ichhati. Kam. Why I said kam? Because Vidya is Strilinga Sabdam. Vidya. Vidya Sabdam is Strilinga. So kam I have to use. Ka. Strilinga Sabdam I have to use. I have to use in Ditya Bhakti. Vidyam. Kam. Ramah Vidyam ichhati.
Sir, a small doubt, sir.
Huh?
A small doubt, sir.
It's
Sir,
not?
here, a small doubt, sir. Here we are
Ah,
asking after knowing the answer, whether it is Srilingam or Pumlingam. But
correct.
while using how to
Then
ask.
you say Kimichadi.
Kimmich. Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Ramah Kimichadi.
Okay, sir.
So here, because you know that the answer is kam, you say kam ichhati. So Ramah kam ichhati, Ramah vidyam ichhati. Ramah vidyam ichhati. Somah dhanam ichhati. Somah kim ichhati, Somah dhanam ichhati. So general question is kim ichhati. When you know the answer, it becomes kam
Okay,
ichhati.
sir.
Ekada mitra ekada once. Time. Da is time. Ekada once. Mitradvayam videsham agachat. Mitradvayam kutra agachat? Videsham agachat. So videsham is Ditya Bhakti. When gachati verb is used, you can use in for kutra answer could be in Ditya Bhakti or Chaturthya Bhakti or Saptami Bhakti. But for other things, when kutra answer for other verbs, kutra answer would be in Saptami Bhakti. Mitradvayam videsham agachat. Mitradvayam kada videsham agachat? Kada. Ekada. Once. Kada videsham agachat? Ekada. Ramah tatra vidyabhyasam akarot. Tatra Ramah kim akarot? Vidyabhyasam akarot. Somah dhanasampadhanam akarot. Somah tatra kutra videsham. Somah videshe. Rama tatra videshe kim akarot? सोमः तत्र धनसम्पादनम् अकरोत् अनेकानि वर्षाणि अगच्छन् वर्षाणि अगच्छन् वर्षाणि बहुवचनम् अगच्छन् बहुवचनं वर्षाणि अगच्छन् मेनी इयर्स वेंट ऑफ कानि अगच्छन् वर्षाणि अगच्छन् कानि अगच्छन् वर्षाणि अगच्छन् रिपीट विथ मी कति वर्षाणि अगच्छन्
अनेकानि वर्षाणि
वर्षाणि अगच्छन्
अनेकानि वर्षाणि अगच्छन् मित्रद्वयम् अपि स्वनगरम् अगच्छत् द्वयम् अगच्छत् अगेन द्वयम् अगच्छत् कुत्र अगच्छत् मित्रद्वयम् अगच्छत् स्वनगरम् अगच्छत् मार्गे चोराः अतिष्ठन् अतिष्ठन् मीन्स् दे स्टेड हू स्टेड मार्गे चोराः अतिष्ठन् मार्गे के अतिष्ठन् के हू के अतिष्ठन् चोराः अतिष्ठन् सोमस्य प्लीज रिपीट along with me don't bother सोमस्य धनम् अहरन्
अहरन्
सोमस्य धनं कस्य धनं
सोमस्य
सोमस्य धनम् अहरन्
के सोमस्य धनम् अहरन्
चोराः
चोराः
सोमस्य धनम्
अहरन् अनन्तरं मित्रद्वयं नगरम् अगच्छत् नगरं मित्रद्वयं कुत्र अगच्छत् अनन्तरं मित्रद्वयं कुत्र अगच्छत्
नगरम् अगच्छत्
नगरम् अगच्छत् नगरे महाराजः आसीत् नगरे इन्द नगरं सप्तमी विभक्ति नगरे महाराजः आसीत् महाराजा वास् देयर नगरे कः आसीत्
नगरे महाराजः आसीत्
महान् राजः महाराजः प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड दिस महान् राजः महाराजः समस्तपदं नगरे महाराजः आसीत् मित्रद्वयम् अपश्यत् कः मित्रद्वयम् अपश्यत्
महाराजः मित्रद्वयम्
अपश्यत् अनन्तरं विद्यावन्तं रामं द्वितीया विभक्ति विद्यावन्तम् आल्सो द्वितीया विभक्ति विद्यावन्तः रामः प्रथमा विभक्ति विद्यावन्तं रामं द्वितीया विभक्ति कर्म दिस यूज्ड एज कर्म विद्या अनन्तरं राजा इज नॉट देयर हियर अध्याहारम् अनन्तरं राजा विद्यावन्तं रामम् आह्वयत् ही इन्वैटेड अनन्तरं कम् आह्वयत् कम्
अनन्तरं
विद्यावन्तं
रामम्
आह्वयत्
आह्वयत्
अनन्तरं महाराजः विद्यावन्तं रामम् आह्वयत् त्वं मन्त्रिस्थाने तिष्ठ इति अवदत् त्वं मन्त्रिस्थाने तिष्ठ इति दिस इज इन्वर्टेड कॉमास दिस इज डायरेक्ट स्पीच whenever direct speech is there you should say iti and then put in inverted commas avadat raja kim avadat raja ramam avadat tvam mantristane tishta iti ramah mantri abhavat he became mantri vidyavantam ramam kaha abhavat
विद्यावन्तः रामः मन्त्री अभवत्
विद्यावन्तः रामः कः अभवत् विद्यावन्तः रामः मन्त्री अभवत् सोमः जीवनार्थं रामस्य सेवकः अभवत् सोमः किम् अभवत्
सोमः सेवकः अभवत्
सोमः कस्य सेवकः अभवत्
सोमः रामस्य सेवकः अभवत्
सोमः किमर्थं सेवकः अभवत्
जीवनार्थं सोमः जीवनार्थं सेवकः अभवत्
Here if you see again here all these things are akaran shabdas because Rama mostly Rama shabdas all are akaran shabdas akaran they are all akaran pulling shabdas and akaran shabdas are all Rama shabdam akaran filling shabdas are all Rama shabdam okay this agni this is wrong agni petika Rama shabdam all are akaran shabdas Rama shabdas akaran shabdas are Rama shabdas. All these things are, what are the items? The items, type of items are, is Gruha Vishaya, Sabdas, Gruhopakara Vastuni, Gruhopakara Vastuni, Gruhopakara items, Gruha items, house items. Now, all these things are Akaran Sabdas, Rama Sabdas. Next goes Ikaran Sabdam, up to this, up to Doravani, Akaran Sabdas. Then up to Ikaran Sabdas, Gauri, Doravani, Chulli, Pushpadani, all these Gauri Sabdas. Then are Napuska Sabdam, Upadanam, Padasodakam, Venjanam, Kankatam, all these Akaran Sabda, Jnana Sabdam, Napusaka Sabdas. All these things are Napusaka Sabdas. So, then in between one పదుకక్కటి పదుకక్కటి కాదు మధుకక్కటి ఇట్స్ నాట్ పదుకక్కటి మధుకర్కటి మీన్స్ నా ఇట్స్ నాట్ పా ఇట్స్ మా మధుకర్కటి మధు నాట్ పదు రాంగ్ మధుకర్కటి మీన్స్ బొప్పాయి మధుకర్కటి బొప్పాయి ఫలం గౌరీ శబ్దం సో all these fruits are జ్ఞాన శబ్దం again all these fruits comes under akaran శబ్దాస్ then జాతి పుష్పం ఈకారం శబ్దం గౌరీ శబ్దం మందారహ అకారంత పుల్లింగ శబ్దం మందారహ రామ శబ్దం then పాటలం జ్ఞాన శబ్దం అకారంత నపుంసక శబ్దం సేవంతిక అకారం శ్రీలింగ శబ్దం రమా శబ్దం అకారం శబ్దం పారిజాతం జ్ఞాన శబ్దం కేతకి ఈ శ్రీలింగ శబ్దం గౌరీ శబ్దం ముకులం మొగ్గ దిస్ బడ్ జ్ఞాన శబ్దం లైక్ దట్ లవిత్రం అకారం శబ్దం పుల్లింగ శబ్దం ఈలి శ్రీలింగ శబ్దం గౌరీ శబ్దం చురిక అకారం శబ్దం రమా శబ్దం దర్వి గౌరీ శబ్దం వేళ్ళని గౌరీ శబ్దం ఆల్ ఈకారం శబ్దాలు సార్ గౌరీ శబ్దం పేషణపత్రం నపుంసక శబ్దం గౌరీ శబ్దం జ్ఞాన శబ్దం బాష్పస్థాళి గౌరీ శబ్దం స్థాళిక రమా శబ్దం చషక పుల్లింగ శబ్దం చమష పుల్లింగ శబ్దం రామ శబ్దం ద్రోణి ఇకారం శబ్దం గౌరీ శబ్దం భాష్ట్రం అకారంత నపుంసక జ్ఞాన శబ్దం పిష్టపచనం అకారంత నపుంసక శబ్దం జ్ఞాన శబ్దం సోర్ప అకారంత పుల్లింగ శబ్దం రామ శబ్దం ఘరట్ట రామ శబ్దం సమ్ లైక్ దట్ అకారం శబ్దం ఆల్ మోస్ట్లీ రామ శబ్దం జ్ఞాన శబ్దం రామ శబ్దం జ్ఞాన శబ్దం ఆల్ గురు శబ్దం దట్స్ ఆల్ ఉకారం శబ్దం all these శబ్దాస్ ఆర్ లైక్ దట్ ఓన్లీ all these things are known to us all these శబ్దాస్ are akaranta ikaranta ukaranta శబ్దాస్ only up to 260 is over with all this totally complete I hope so that's why I have not given anything extra so all శబ్దాస్ have been in this lesson have been completed now mostly if you find జ్ఞాన శబ్ద రామ శబ్ద గౌరీ శబ్ద రమా శబ్ద so many శబ్దాస్ with 3-4 items that's all so all these meanings you should understand and what is the root word with this if it is dirgham the same thing is root word either ikaran siddham or akaran dirgham the root word is the same but whereas if you go to visarga or anuswaram you have to remove that asarga anuswaram and call it as root word so that is the sutram behind it so with this the 14th lesson also completed we got 2 more lessons we will complete on Friday next week one day we complete those 2 then we will complete the course ఓం సహనావతు సహనౌ భునక్తు సహ వీర్యం కరవావహై తేజస్వినావధీతమస్తు మా విద్విషావహై ఓం టైమ్ ఇస్ ఓవర్ కదా హిస్ టైమ్ ఇస్ దేర్
Still there is 27 minutes, sir.
oh still half an hour is there time I thought
Yes.
Yes, sir. It is
that's why I made it
7:30.
fast that's why I made it very fast to complete it okay still half an hour time is there I'm getting confused with this because of this so okay you understood this any doubts on this here
This
Huh?
is good, sir.
No, sir.
no doubts
No.
okay so now any other doubts on any other subjects you have learned saptakakaras you have learned any other doubts on any other subjects till now we got another half an hour time now we can discuss we got 2 lessons that we can complete in next 2 classes no problem
Sir, I
Any
found
question? Huh?
slightly different between Pati and Ravi Shabdas.
Pati and Ravi Sudha, that is a special sabdam. Pati sabdam is a special sabdam used in a different way by some kavis. That's why Panini has given a special nature for that, special table for that. But
Okay.
Hari table is general table for all Ikaranta Pullinga sabdas. Okay?
Three is
Clear?
like Ravi.
Only Ravi and Hari both are same.
But same. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Ravi he. Any other doubts? On general doubts, other than what is the lesson also? Any other doubts you have got on Sanskritam?
Mm.
Can you tell me what is the difference between Kim Kakaram and other Kakaras?
Immi Sarvanamam and others are avyayas.
What is the difference between these two?
They don't have vibhakti, sir, other than Kim.
So what? So what? So what? Okay, they don't have vibhakti. Then what? So what? What is the effect? What is the effect of that?
Kim is more
Vibhakti
general
is-
than Kaha or
Yeah,
Ka.
చెప్పండి. Huh?
Kim is more general. In case you're not sure about the linga, Kim can be used as a neutral reference.
No, one more. Some more is there. Some more is there in Kim. Kutra, all this remaining 6 only one way of application, right? But whereas Kim can be applied in how many ways? Kim can be applied in how many ways? Only one question, Kim. Is Ka is not belong to Kim?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kaha is belonging to Kim only. Ka is also
Yeah.
belonging to Kim only.
Yes. We have a table, I think, sir. We should have a table, Vibhakti table for Kim also.
That Kim table, just like Ka Saha table only.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
The Kim table, how many vibhaktis are there? 7 vibhaktis are there.
7 Vibhaktis, sir. 7
3
Vibhaktis.
vachanams are there.
Yes, sir. 21.
3 lingas are there. Kaha
Yes,
Ka
sir.
Kim.
Yeah.
Right? So
Yeah.
63, 21 into 7 into 3 into 3.
How to 63? 63. Oh, man.
63 questions can be formed with Kim Shabdam.
Oh.
Right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Whereas with Kati Shabdam, only one question.
Yeah.
Kada is only one question. Kimadam is only one type of question. Katham also like that. Kutaha also like that. Kutra is also like that. Only answers are 2. When Gachati is there, Ditya Vibhakti, other things are Saptami Vibhakti. That's all, right?
Yeah.
Kutaha Panchami Vibhakti. Kimardhan Chaturthi Vibhakti or Tuman Prachayam. Katham is adjective. Visheshna, adverb will come answer. Katham. Okay, Kati is Sankhya. You will get Sankhya. Kati is Nichya Bahuvachanam. Kati, what is specialty of Kati?
Nitya Bahuvachanam.
Nichya Bahuvachanam. Kati is Nichya Bahuvachanam.
Always in plural.
Always in plural. Kati Santi. Your question is only always Kati Santi. Okay. Understood now? 7 kakaras.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes.
Very important. The 7 kakaras are very important for your formation of sentences. You always put question, get the answer. Put question, get the answer. Then you learn how to put the question. You should be very strong in that. If you want to ask something, somebody, how to ask? Unless you understand the 7 kakaras, you cannot open your mouth and ask, right?
Yes, sir.
So that is the thing. Then the question comes, what is the difference between Bhavan and Tvam?
Bhavan is respectful addressing, I think, sir.
Both are respectful.
Both are respectable in Sanskritam. Tvam is not mean.
Yeah, of course. That yeah, that's true.
So what is the difference we understood now? In Vyakarana point of view, usage point of view, how Kriya is used when Bhavan, how Kriya is used when Tvam, what Kriya is used. Reading, Patati. Patati is for whom? Patasi is used for whom?
Patati is first person,
Prathama Purusha.
Pradhama Purusha, and Tvam is Madhyama Purusha.
So Patati is
Patasi.
used for what?
Patati Pradhama Purusha.
For whom it is?
Patasi.
Bhavan is not Pradhama Purusha?
Yes, sir.
So you say that, why you are not saying that? Patati is used for Bhavan. Patasi is used for
Patasi.
Tvam.
Tvam.
So what is the difference between Bhavan and Patati then? Tvam then? Bhavan is Pradhama Purusha. Tvam is
Madhyama Purusha.
Purusha.
Madhyama Purusha. Okay.
So Instead of Tvam, if you use Patan, you don't need to learn Madhyama Purusha, right? I don't mean you should not learn, but the usage will be easier for you, right?
Yes, sir.
By using Bhavan, you don't need to talk about Madhyama Purusha for that Kriya.
Yeah.
The Patati, Prathama Purusha, anyway you have to learn. For all the remaining Shabdas in the world, or Patati only you have to say. For Madhyam, Tvam only you have to say Patasi. So instead of Tvam, you start using Bhavan, you don't need to learn Madhyama Purusha Kriya.
Yes,
Is
sir.
it not?
Yes, sir. Understood.
The only difference is Bhavan and Bhavati. If you are using male, Bhavan. If you are using female, Bhavati. That is the only difference. And Patati, no difference with female or female. Right? When you are using Patitavan, only that difference comes. Bhavan, Patitavan, Bhavati, Patitavati. That's Tavat Prichayam. What is Tavat Prichayam? What type of Kriya it is? Tavat Prichay Kriya.
Wow.
What type of Kriya it is? Bhutakalam or Vartamana Kalam or Bhavishyat Kalam?
Bhutakalam.
Bhutakalam. Kartari Prayogam, Bhutakalam, right?
Yes, sir.
Kartari Prayogam, Bhutakala Kriya, Tavatavan Prichayam. So what is that Prichayam that is used there?
Tva.
Tavatu, Tva, not Tva. Tva is the work that is completed. Tavatu,
Tavat.
Tavatu Prichayam. Tavatu, Tavatu, Katavatu, Tavatu Prichayam. Patiplex Tavatu is equal to Patitavan. If lady, Patitavati. So that is Tavatu Prichayam. So Tavatu Prichayam is used for an easy way of talking, right? You don't need to learn Madhyama Purusha, Uttama Purusha. These divisions, not worried. Atmanipadi, Parasmanipadi, this is also not problem. If you use Tavatu Prichaya Kriya. Vanditavan, Vanditavati. Otherwise, if you use Lakar Kriya, you have to see various Madhyama Purusha, Uttama Purusha, all these differences you have to understand, right?
Yes.
But if you use the Tavatu Prichaya Kriya, easy, either Atmanipadi or Parasmanipadi, same form. Paditavan, Vanditavan. Likitavan, Bhashitavan. Okay, like that. So it's easy to application. And what is another easy way of talking application? Khanda Kriya. Bhojanam karoti. You don't need to say bhunkte. Bhojanam karoti. Bhojanam kurtavan. Ajjayanam kurtavan. Khanda Kriya. That is another easy way of talking for Patanam kurte. Is it not? For Vaktum. For Sambhashana kurte. And start seeing the TTD channel, SABC channel, the 2018 to 2020 or so 2 years or 3 years, they ran 78 to 30, 78 or more than 78 classes they have run. 2 years. More than 70 classes they have run on Sanskritam Bhashana, Sambhashana. Please hear them till you digest. Don't see serials, unnecessary serials. Instead of serials, see those videos till you digest how to speak. Or if you don't know, that is Sanskritam only, no problem. Otherwise, you can see the Rashtriya Sanskrit Samsthan. The explanation will be in the initial introduction will be in Hindi. 40 videos are there. Rashtriya Sanskrit Samsthan. You just say learn Sanskritam. You will get Rashtriya Sanskrit Samsthan videos, 40 videos will come. Hear them. Not hearing just once. Till you digest. Then only you can speak. If you are really serious, see those videos daily, half an hour. Daily. Take one first video. Till you digest that video, don't leave that video. Don't go to second video. I understood first video. I know how to speak the way he is speaking. Then go to second video. And every day you write 10 letters. Every day you write 10 letters from morning to evening. What works you have done? What sabdas you have used. Sharkara, like that. If you don't know, find out. Buy a dictionary. Find out. Telugu to Sanskritam dictionary, find out. Buy one dictionary. Or English to Sanskritam. Or Hindi to Sanskritam. The language you know. From that language to Sanskritam. Or you go to ashtajayi.com. Type there in English or in your language. You get the Sanskrit equivalent. And write them 10 words every day night. What words you use, what words Sanskritam, what words you are using in Telugu or English, what is the equivalent of Sanskritam for that? You write in a diary initially. Then start making sentences. Putraha uttishtati. Putraha gacchati. Putraha khadati. Putraha snanam karoti. Snati or snanam karoti. Putraha dhavati. Putraha kridati. Putraha pathati. Putraha pasyati. Like that you start making small sentences. You do that every day for half an hour in the night before sleeping. Ceremoniously, you are sure to get how to speak and how to write. If you don't put sadhana, if there is no sadhana, how can you get? You have to do sadhana. Practice makes men. Not only men, women also it makes perfect. Is it not? If there are no doubts, then any other subject we can think of, say, for example, directions. Can you tell me the direction? Anybody, can you tell me the directions? These are normally we should use them, no? Every day we use them.
Purataha,
Before you, what do you say? Purataha.
Purataha, Prushtaha,
Prushtataha.
Prushtataha,
Prushtataha.
Dakshinataha,
Dakshinataha,
Vamataha,
Vamataha,
Upari,
Upari,
Uparitaha.
Adaha.
Ataha. Then what are the forms of atra?
Atra, Tatra, Kutra,
Atra, tatra.
Tatra.
Atra, tatra.
Tatra.
Atra pustakam asti. Tatra kujyam
Atra,
asti.
Kujyamasti.
Tatra vrushaha asti. Kujyam asti. Tatra deepaha asti. Tatra. Anyatra. Outside
Anyatra,
your sight. Outside your sight. Anyatra.
Sarvatra,
Sarvatra, everywhere.
everywhere.
Sarvatra. Then
Kutra, Ekatra,
ekatra. At one place. At one place. At one place. Ekatra. All pustakas at one place. Pustakani ekatra santi. Purushaha ekatra santi. Mahilaha ekatra santi. Balakaha ekatra santi. Balikaha ekatra santi. Ekatra. Then kutra.
where?
Where? Then what else? Ajya, swaha,
Madhya, Swaha,
paraswaha,
Swaha,
parapraswaha.
Praparaswaha.
Ajya,
Madhya,
swaha,
Swaha,
paraswaha.
Swaha, Praparaswaha.
అలాగే అద్య హ్యః
Yah, Syah,
Parahyaha,
Parahyaha, Praparahyaha.
So when you use past, you have to use past tense. When you use future, you have to use future tense in sentence. Swaha aham patitavan. Swaha aham patishyami. When you are using this forward ones, you have to use bhavishyat kala.
Future tense.
When you are using behind ones, past ones, you have to use bhutakala. Gataha, bhutakala. Gatamase paditavan. Gatamase aham tirthayatra krutavan. Gatamase. Mase. सप्तमी गतसप्ताहे अहं गीता श्रुतवान् गत गतदिने गतसप्ताहे गतपक्षे गतमासे गतवत्सरे गतकाले
गतकाले
आगामि दिने आगामि सप्ताहे आगामि पक्षे आगामि मासे आगामि वत्सरे आगामि दिने आगामि काले coming. These are all things normally we use every day. प्रयत्नं करोतु आगच्छति यदि प्रयत्नं न करोति तर्हि न आगच्छति यतः कुतः यतः अतः a reason an action.
action.
If you are telling reason first, then action should be associated with ataha.
Atha.
When you are using action first, the reason for that action should be told with yataha. First action you say, then you add ataha, yataha and tell reason. If you are telling reason first, then you add ataha and tell the action. Ataha yataha. Similarly, yada tada, yatha tatha, yavat tavat.
Yadhi tarhi.
Yadhi tarhi, chet. Yadhi tarhi is equal to chet.
Yeah.
To remove yadhi tarhi, in place of tarhi you put chet, the same.
Yeah, yeah.
Yajyapi tadhapi. When something's capacity is there, that work is not happening. That then yajyapi tadhapi. Yajyapi.
Yes,
Yajyapi shakti asti tadhapi karyam na karoti. Alasaha yajyapi shakti asti tadhapi na patati. The lazy fellow, even though he has got the shakti, he will not read. Shakti, time, but he will not read. Because he is lazy. The laziness is the very bad thing. It's called tamas guna. Tamas is the ajnanam. Ajnanam, andhakaram, laziness, nidra. These things are the things which are spoiling the person's capacity. Otherwise, a person can do many things. So control these things. Remove ajnanam. Remove andhakaram. Put light. Start reading. Start learning the things. Go towards gnanam. Light. Light is gnanam. Dark is andhakaram. Be dynamic. Dynamic is life. Prakriti is life. Dynamic. And static is stale water. Stale water is dirty water. The moving water is good water. Nadi water is always good. Whatever you leave it, because it's moving away, all fresh water comes always. Sarovara water is good water. So wherever there is water from inside, from down, the water comes, then that is good water. You just put in a vessel and then keep it like that, it becomes bad water. Stale water is always bad water. So be dynamic, be active, be talkative, be interactive, be involved. Use your brain, don't follow. Chanashah kanashashchaiva vidyamardhancha sadhayet. Arabdham uttamajanaha na parichayanti. Ujjamena ve siddhanti karyani na manoradaihi. Nahi suptasya simhasya pravishanti mukhe mrigaha. All these things are very valuable sessions. And some more very valuable things are there in higher levels. Join the 4 levels of course. Make your children join those courses. You will be a good citizen in future. Samskrita Bharati person the boy who passes 4 levels of Samskrita Bharati by the time of intermediate, he will be definitely a good citizen. And Bhagavad Gita. He will be a knowledgeable person. Om Sahanavavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sah Viryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Varun Sri Krishna. Satyam Vada Dharmanchara. These are basic fundamental dictums of Vedas. All the great kings, Rama, Harishchandra, Ambarisha, so many people, they proved these are the things to be used. They practiced and told the society. Satyam Vada Dharmanchara is the basic principles of either king or the followers. Yatha Raja Tatha Praja. So these are the two basic dictums of Vedas, which gives you Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu. Satyam Vada Dharmanchara Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu. Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Para Brahma Tasmai Sri Guruve Namaha. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamstu. Namaskara. Dhanyavada. Agami Bhruguvasre Milama.
ధన్యవాదాలు మహోదయ.
ధన్యవాదాలు ప్రభాకర్ రావు గారు
ధన్యవాదాలు.
for the nice session today. Now we go ahead with the Pradhana. Shankara Narayanan ji, please do the Pradhana.
स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्य परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महीं महिषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु काले वर्षन्तु पर्जन्य पृथ्वी सस्यशालिनी देशोऽयं क्षोभरहितो ब्राह्मणाः सन्तु निर्भयाः अपुत्रा पुत्रिणः सन्तु पौत्रिणः अधना सदना सन्तु जीवन्तु शरदां शतं सत्यं वद धर्मं चर स्वाध्यायान्मा प्रमदः सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ पूर्णमद पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः सर्वे जनाः सुखिनो भवन्तु स्वस्ति.
Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu. Swasti. ధన్యవాదాలు శంకర్ నారాయణ ji. Now I raise this for the national anthem. Shankar Narayan garu, please.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल वंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे जय हिंद.
Thank you very much, Shankar Narayan
Jai
garu.
Shri Ram. Jai Shri Ram.
Jai Shri Ram. Thank you. Now, we still have a few minutes in case anyone wants to say anything.
I just want to say not a question, but I just want to tell the students that today we have learned Anunasikas, no? So these things are used in this prayer also, slokas and mantras. One who knows Sanskrit and Veda Pandits, when they chant these slokas or mantras, you can see the difference. Say like first you take ka, ga, if you take that first Anunasikam is there. We also use it, no? Ganana, in Gananantva, Kavim Kavina, that first one comes. Kavim Kavina, so that first one comes from throat. Then Gange, we never say Gamge. Without knowing also, we don't use gange. It comes automatically from throat. So that first one comes. Next, chanchalamu, chancha. This comes from throat, like lips or can see this tongue. Chanchalamu. That is second one. Kaka gaga. Next, chai or ta no ta dadana. Vakratunda Mahakaya, we say Tunda na. So these things we normally use it without knowing only. Tata Gananan
Kantha.
Ganantva, they use that. Then last one, Pavarga. That commonly we use Pa Bama. Now you see Shankaram Shankaracharyam, how it is chanted. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam. So Papa Bhama Keshavam Badarayanam. So these things we without knowing also we use this Sanskrit, this Ananasikas. I just now when Vedic Pandits and all they chant this, you can see in Sanskrit like Vishnu Sahasranama Stotram, Lalita Sahasranama also, all that also these things are followed. Then you can appreciate that. Then this about Khalu, somebody asked. Now we are also daily we are doing this. No, this Keyurana Vibhushanayanti. In that last Kshiyante Khalu Bhushanani Satatam. Bhushanani Satatam Kshiyante. Khalu, is it not truly, surely, in fact, like using daily? I just want to tell thank you.
Thank you very much, Venkatanaran garu. Yes. We many times.
Satatam goes to the next one also. Satatam goes to previous one and next one also. Kshiyante kalu bhushanani satatam. Satatam vagbhushanam bhushanam.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, Venkatanaran garu. Okay. Wish you all a happy Bhogi and Sankranti.
Happy Pongal, happy Bhogali, happy Kanuma, all.
Hope we prosper with Sukha Shanti. Thank you very much, and we close for the day. Enjoy.
Namaste.
Happy Sankranti.
Thank you.